Alright guys, so this video is to show you how to fix a tire that's losing air from a puncture, a nail or a screw. Alright, these are the tools you're going to need. You're going to need a impact to take the tire off, or a 4-way lug wrench. You're going to need a drill with a kit, tire repair kit that has bits that snap into the drill, or you can do it manually. The repair kit and the manual tools, the inserter and the reamer. All right, you're gonna need some type of tool to be able to pull the actual object out of the tire. Let's get started. Before you jack the car up, you want to loosen the lug nuts. On certain cars you have a jack point. This is where you would place the jack. Now you want to jack up the vehicle. You want the tire to be about 2 inches off of the ground. Now go ahead and remove the tire. Alright guys, so what we're going to do is remove this screw. Since it's a Phillip head, I'm just going to drill it out. You hear that? Alright, now that we have that screw out, what we're going to do is we're going to use this tool right here called a reamer, and we're going to push this through the hole and clean the hole out. And you just make sure you clean the hole out really good. Alright, now we're going to pull it out. You're going to open up your pack. Pull out a sleeve. Just like that. Get your insertion tool. I'm going to squeeze the tip of this and put it straight through this hole, just like threading a needle. Get it halfway. See that? That's halfway. And now we're going to push it through the hole. Alright, so we got it through the hole. You only want about an inch of it probably hanging out. See that? Push it in there deep, and then you just grab it, pull off. See that? Alright, now once you get it in there, you're going to get your blade and you're going to cut this. Alright, so we're going to cut this off. And there you go. It's good. Now we're going to put the tire back on and pump the tire back up. Alright guys, so basically we got the tire on. The way that I put this tire on is I put my foot up against the tire like this. I lift up on it, put it on. Then I take one of the studs, I line it up with the hole, put the stud in. Make sure you get like a socket or something to make it longer so you can get it all the way in. But you put one in the top and then you put one in the bottom, and that'll hold it on. And then you just go ahead and put all of the rest of the ones in by hand. All right, guys, so we're gonna let the car down. To let the car down, you just turn the jack handle to the left. All right, now that the car is on the ground, we're gonna click the car off. This car has its own torque value, and every car has a different torque value, but I want to show you that once you put the tire back on, you want to make sure that you torque this tire off. Now what I just did is I went in a star pattern. Once you go in a star pattern, then you go in a circle. And that's it. All right, guys, so this right here is an automatic pump. All right, this right here goes in your cigarette lighter, and this right here, this gauge tells you how much air is in the actual tire. This part right here goes on the valve stem, and basically what we're going to do is we're going to pump this tire up here to 36 psi. All right, so I have it connected to the tire, and you can see it only has 20 psi in it. So what we're going to do is just turn it on just like that and let it pump up to 36 psi. Alright, so we just put 36 psi in it and the tire's inflated. Alright guys, that's it. This is J.O.A.T.D. and I'm out. Hey guys, and if you're into graphic tees, hoodies, or sweatshirts, check out my store. All you have to do is click on the store tab in my YouTube. This is J.O.A.T.D. and I'm out.